Today I will talk about how can you enable Viziogram notifications on your Vizio app. We will to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do now, just click here on account down here. You just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on notifications here. You just click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. Come here to Viziogram, just click in this side. The like you see here, Viziogram notifications enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable here Viziogram. That's all. I wish know you I get it. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.